It's Jonah Asty. It's Jimmy. We're here. Sunrise. Sunrise? This is Sunrise. We're in Sunrise.
We're in the vicinity of the Broward County and
just Fort Lauderdale, everything. What's up? We're at H&R Grill. Not H&R Block. Yeah. Hey. Another one.
Fuck yeah. No.
And we're here to try some good food because Instagram said good food was here. Flies have been all around in each place.
Broward. What the fuck?
Fly problem.
What are you doing?
The address, I'll tell you right now. 3535 North Pine Island Road, Sunrise, Florida. Okay? So that's where you're going to find H&R Grill.
Jimmy has a Dairy Collet,
Collar.
The foundation of the plateau.
Keeps loving that word.
And the tilapia, fried tilapia.
No, that's what you got? That's what that is?
That's what that is. It's fish. I asked for fish sauce. They don't have fish sauce available.
Looks like pork rinds.
I'm going to take a point away for that because if I ask for fish, give me fish sauce.
Fish sauce?
Yeah, fish sauce. Don't give me chicken sauce. I ordered fish. Give me fish sauce. I'm going to take a point off of that. Duck.
Hey, hi. I got bullet. Right? Got bullet.
I'm not a fan.
Literally, like you see it. It's right in front of you. I'm going to splat. I heard earlier that you didn't respond to my boy here. What? You ignored him.
I said you were talking too hard.
Yeah.
Too hard.
And you walked right by. Scammer talk.
I'm a real estate, so I was looking at my car because y'all. I didn't know y'all doing a video.
Come on in. Go ahead.
Come on in here.
No, y'all good. Y'all
Scammers never want to be on video camera. All right? He's a real estate agent. When you call him PPP.
Y'all chill, bro. Chill.
I know.
Nigga,
last name is St. Jean.
Y'all said new pop ball?
Okay.
I see your pop ball.
Come on. You good, bro? What is this?
And we're in Broward. He's peed all up.
Hamilton Home Loans. My dog got a suit on, all right? Respect it.
Okay, we can't look. Now he said, you know what? They gotta know me when they call. I need 2% off the top, 12 off the bottom.
If y'all looking for a home, y'all contact me, 954-839-7902. Y'all boys are the best. I appreciate y'all, man.
Appreciate y'all.
I'm going to share that video on Facebook.
All right, now. We're going to put it right in the front. Right here. Get your shit out of here, man. I'm playing.
He should have talked to you.
All right. Listen. It's the longest been waiting.
Yeah. We're back. All right.
Hey, give me fish sauce with my fish. Don't give me chicken sauce.
Un Kia.
With my fish.
One Kia.
Fish sauce with my chicken.
1 spoon. Oh, I got macaroni too.
The viand that I'm eating. All right. Come on, man.
I got macaroni too. We're gonna see what that's like. If your macaroni can be cut and ate like a piece of cake, if you can just pick up the boot macaroni and eat it like that, you got some. What's going on? That is lovely. Finger waving, guys. What? 97 again. Yeah. Green leprechaun. Luck of the Irish. You wild. All right, let me go ahead and salt. See, this is good sauce right here. Okay. Got a consistency. Go ahead and see. I'm not a white rice guy, y'all. I don't like D Blanc. I like D John. But whatever. You're not fucking with the bun? Okay.
No crisp.
Okay. All right. She got a sauce bar. See that? How big is the fire? All right. Here we go. You know what? This bullet's looking a little dry. I'm gonna have to dip that. All right, here we go. Let me see what's up. Hold on, y'all.
Rice is solid. Sauce is good. Tilapia got a little spice kick to it. Could be a little salty, but hey, you know, blood pressure. I know they're trying to watch out.
Dip the whole bullet in that bitch.
$6.9. And the only reason why They would have been in the 7s, but that plantain, man, it's soft. It should be. Look how I got it bent. It should be flaking now. It should be clack, clack, clack.
It's a science to this, man.
Look. It's a soft. Ain't no pieces flaking out and breaking. It ain't crisp. It ain't crispy. You know. So
this is what I was talking about.
Yeah.
If you can take out your macaroni and that bitch don't go nowhere,
that's good right there. That's a Mac burger. That's good.
Stop playing. Hold on. Let me see.
Yeah, man. The plantains ain't what it needs to be. But hey, 6'9", still a passing score. Anything over a 6, right? It's a D, but yeah, you know. That butter ain't good, man. I don't appreciate that. Did you try the butter?
My bun and meter told me I ain't should be there. Ain't nothing there for me.
Yeah, no, man.
You know. All right.
I don't know that this is a good reheat value, to be honest with you either. I'm not too sure, huh? The juice is good. Ain't bad.
What was this, guava mango? This is the best thing I done tasted in all of Broward. Corner to corner. Or 30-something miles of it.
What's the number here? What's the number?
Can I give my damn rating?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, thanks.
368. 34.
I don't even,
95.
oh wow. White rice, not my biggest thing, but I'll tell you what, that sauce bar is delicious. Going on that white rice, did me right. Yo, this is sauce beyond, this is how the sauce beyond is supposed to be. Thick, saucy, flavor, texture on it.
It ain't as flavored as the shit.
But you don't want it too salty, Jimmy. You don't want.
It need to sing.
You don't want zing and zang, just a little bit.
Yeah, but they ain't have none of it.
For me, it was perfect. The macaroni was dope. This and the boulette. I'm mad I didn't get this at the last spot. It looked dry. It looked dry, but it's weird because it's not dry on the inside. It's moisturized. It's like a shushu.
It looked like a turd. To be honest with you, I ain't even gonna lie.
This a 7. This is 7.9.
You out here just giving out.
Yeah, this is 7.9.
Nobody's gonna believe
This
you.
is 7.9.
Nobody's gonna trust
And the inside was cool. It kind of was like 50-50. It was like half modern, half early 2000s. Yeah. I mean, they got space in there. Everything was good. I mean, the girl was cool. Scammers.
you. Yeah. 6'9".
7.9 for me, 6.9 for Jimmy. The reheatable value in here is decent
Yeah, no, it ain't good. Not good reheat value.
for Jimmy.
Let me tell you something. You put this in the microwave, it is it's a projectile. You could throw this and hurt somebody, cause bodily harm.
2 rings.
Hello, good afternoon. Oh wow, you picked up off 2 rings.
That's her.
That's great service. That's good service.
It's her.
I just want to see how long it will take you to pick up the phone.
That's
Thank you
it's
so
somebody.
much. You have a great day.
They looking at me
People
like I'm
pick up the
crazy.
phones and you can't even see it.
I think that was her. Wow.
That is amazing. That is
Uh,
gracious. Okay. All
With
right.
that being said, yeah, 6.9 Jimmy, 7.9 Jonah. Honorable score for the juice. What you got?
Another piece of something on the way.
The juice is 9.
A solid 9 on the juice. This guava mango is delicious. What you got? Lemonade.
Lemonade good. I ain't no
Best thing in there is that juice. You come in here, you thirsty. Go ahead, get you a drink. God, Lord Jesus Christ, have mercy. What is?
There's a lot going on.
Man, were you looking for something to eat?
No, I haven't cooked
Yeah, with some Haitian food, a Haitian man. Huh? Huh? Yeah. You have an appointment with Haitian food? Yeah. Oh, God bless America. God.
She's not comfortable.
I don't give a God. I am. Did you see?
No, I did not see. It's not my business.
She made me hot. Her.
All right. So 6'9".
7.9. Good shit. Thank you.